Angie Horkan from the Wisconsin Beef Council is showing us a few beef recipes that are quick and easy to make. Here's Angie.
Happy New Year, everyone. I don't know if you feel the same way I do, but I'm just craving easy, economical, tasty recipes that I can make any night of the week. So I picked two today to feature that I think fit this bill. They're ready in 30 to 40 minutes, not many ingredients, economical ingredients. So they're perfect for any night of the week here this time of the year. The first one's called our Easy Asian Beef Stir Fry. And actually the recipe calls for 1 pound of top round steak, which is very economical. But I bought 1 pound of top sirloin because my top sirloin in my store was on sale and it was only $1 more per pound. So I took it and I sliced it. And I actually froze it for 20 minutes and then pulled it out of the freezer, and that made it nice and firm. So it's really easy to slice. And then I tossed it with a 1/4 cup of just a simple Asian stir-fry sauce from the supermarket, whatever your family likes, or try a new one. 1/4 cup of that, and then with the top sirloin, I just let it sit in that sauce in the refrigerator 2 hours. Now, if you're doing a top round steak, you might want to let it sit in that overnight to tenderize it. Now, I have a tablespoon of vegetable oil here in my hot stir-fry pan, and I'm just going to put in my steak strips. And they only take about 2 minutes to stir-fry, 1 minute per side. Now, if your pan is not very big and you can't space out all of your stir-fry strips, you might want to do them in 2 batches so they don't steam, because you want them all to touch the pan and not be crowded, because you want them to get really hot and caramelized on the outside. That's how they cook so quick. So just give them a quick turn. And then I went ahead and in the same stir-fry pan, I already softened my vegetables. So I just bought some fresh stir-fry mixed veggies from the deli, from the produce department, and I stir-fried them in 1/2 cup of water, covered for about 8 minutes, and got them nice and soft and steamed. But you can always use frozen veggies for sure. So the steak is looking good. So I'm going to put my stir-fried veggies back in. And then I'm going to add 1/2 cup of that same stir-fry sauce that I have on my steak. Some garlic. And that's about it. And then I'm going to let this just sit a minute. Give it a good stir. And that is it. It's about done. Now you could serve this on some brown rice, some white rice, lo mein noodles. I actually have some ramen or ramen noodles because I was going even more economical. So I've got a bit of that. And that is it. That's our easy Asian stir fry. Ready in no time. Fresh veggies, that great top sirloin or top round steak. You could top with some toasted sesame seeds if you like. Now, to buy these ingredients for the recipe, it costs me $13.70. So for a family of 4 for 4 servings, you're looking at $3.40 per serving. Second recipe, easy beef quesadillas. So I took 8 small tortillas and I put 4 down on my cookie sheet, and then I browned up a pound of ground beef and added in 1/2 cup of black beans, 1/2 cup of frozen corn thawed, and a cup of salsa. Mixed that all together and then filled my tortilla shells and with some shredded cheese in there. Bake them in a 400-degree oven about 11 to 12 minutes. That is it. Pull them out, slice them up, and you've got these awesome easy beef, black bean, corn quesadillas that you can serve with a little coleslaw or salsa sour cream on the side. Ready in 40 minutes, and this recipe costs about a little over $3.50 a serving. So perfect, economical, easy meals. Not many dishes to clean up when you're done. So check out beeftips.com. That's our Wisconsin Beef Council website. All the recipes are right there, plus a lot of great other recipes and cookie tips and nutrition information, all brought to you by Wisconsin's beef farmers through the Beef Checkoff. Happy New Year, and I hope to see you guys soon.